All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property home tour. It's been a few days since I had uploaded a video. Also, don't forget to check out our second channel too as well. I'm starting to upload things on the second channel, just things going on around Las Vegas and just like my personal life. So if you guys like me, check out that channel. So I'm here in this brand new community called Solstice. I think that's how you pronounce it. Now, they do have 4 different model homes, or actually 4 different floor plans. Now, just to kind of give you guys a general idea, let me just put you guys down here for just a second. Do not move. So 4 different models. So today we're going to be touring the Willow model. So this one, believe it or not, it's 2,700 square feet, actually 2,761 square feet. You do have an option, 4 bedrooms all the way up to 6 bedrooms as well, 3.5 to 4.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage. Now, the base price on here will start you off at $600,000. Now, they have a total of 62 different lots that you can pick and choose from. Believe it or not, they're charging you a lot premium, $15,000 to $25,000. But remember, you can negotiate that. Now, they do have a standing inventory right now with $60,000 in upgrades. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go take a look at the model here. Let me flip you guys around because I know you don't want to see my face. I get it. So hang tight. So here are all the homes being built. Okay, it's going to be on a cul-de-sac here, and on the other side, total of 62 lots. Now I've noticed on this side right here, you're going to have a bigger backyard, but we'll take a look at that in just a second. So we got the Willow that we're going to be touring. Let's come back over here. Taylor Morrison, by the way. Actually, the Willow's over here. So let's take a look at this one. Look at that. Main Street right here, Las Vegas Boulevard, just right up the road here. We are in the Silverado Ranch area. You do have a lot of shopping. You have the South Point nearby, grocery, and all the amenities less than 5 minutes away. Matter of fact, I live right down the road, probably like 10 minutes, okay? All right, let's get some air conditioning. So, with Taylor Morrison, here are your options. Right here, as you can see, we have the cabinets, the countertops, the flooring, and then the carpet, okay? So, let me know which one you guys like best. Here looks like the standard maple cabinet, the flooring. Not really feeling the flooring. However, you can actually change some of this stuff. But let's go take a look. HOAs here are going to run you $62 a month. You got 3 different elevations on this one. Nice stonework, by the way. Trying to stay out of the sun as best as I can. I didn't put on suntan lotion today. About 106 degrees right now here in the sunny Las Vegas. It's about 5 o'clock. So as you can see, 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bath to 4.5 bath, 2-car garage, 2,761 square feet. Good news about this, we got 2 air conditioning units, Carrier, which is a great brand. Doors off to the side. Now you guys may have seen this model before in the past. Whew, feels good in here. Let's kind of get the lay of the land. Is this the primary? Now, I haven't seen this. We're looking at this property together as we speak. So, 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot on the doors, 2 panels. We've got the shaker cabinets, it looks like. Oh, this tile's not that bad. This is a 24 by 24 porcelain tile. The only thing about these straight edge here, if they're not floated correctly, as you can see, this one's a little bit higher. So, this right here, okay, during your walkthrough, I would redo this because as you can see, this is dropping here, okay? This is not floated correctly. That would bug the crap out of me. Now remember, when you guys are paying this price, $660,000, it better be on point. Now, every builder, you're going to have problems. It is your responsibility to make sure all the inspections are done through the county, all the frame, all the electrical. This cannot be the primary, but we're about to find out. As you see, we got the gray quartz countertops here. Fiberglass. Yeah, this is not the primary, but this could act as a primary too. So basically, this is like a 2 primary house. Nice high toilet. What do we got here? Yeah, so this is like perfect for a guest, but I'm gonna say this is actually, I'm gonna call this a primary 2. The main primary is gonna be upstairs. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. This is more of a galley kitchen here. Beautiful backsplash, by the way. Like that fluted bezel. Nice venting on this countertop. 1-inch front face here, under-mounted sink. They definitely upgraded the faucet here. You got that nice brushed nickel. What I like about brushed nickel, especially this type of sheen right here, it's very hard to get fingerprints versus the stainless steel. We got the push garbage disposal, under-mounted sink. Like the color contrast on the cabinets. They actually did a light rail here with the LED lights underneath. So this is the gourmet option, which, you know, at this price point, would highly recommend that you do this. 36-inch cook countertop, General Electric. You got the standard refrigerator. Let's see, what kind of cabinets are these? I'm gonna say they're not soft closing cabinets, and they are not dovetails. Oop, I was wrong. Dovetails and soft closing cabinets. Now, a home at this price point, at the $660 with all the bells and the whistles, right? Because that's where you're gonna be, about $660, right? Would I do soft closing cabinets? The answer is no. Would I do the dovetails? No. Now, the soft closing cabinets, I can just buy the mechanism myself off of Amazon. So what do we have here? So that's kind of like your pantry. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Main living area, vinyl, 6x8. Now let's go take a look at this setback. I do love this covered patio here. Now, as you can see, we've got cactus right here. Cactus is going to be a main road. So if you come out here and you're living on this side, which you're going to have a pretty big setback. This is probably at least good 25, 30 feet on the setback. Definitely pool size. However, you're always going to hear the cars. Now, on resale value with the next consumer, these are things that you need to think about. Oh, very strange. They color blocked this and they did a pop out that went straight down. I don't know if that was like more of a design feature or they try to like make it modern, as you can see on the other one too. And it looks like we've got concrete tile. I do like the fact that they do have 2 carrier AC units. Now these homes, you definitely need to check the insulation. Do they have the radiant barrier? Is it blown in insulation? You want to check the efficiency of this home. There should be a Hertz rating. Not everybody does a Hertz rating. However, the lower the better on the Hertz rating. Typically you're going to be anywhere from 38 to 42, which is really good, by the way. So this is just a suite for the guests. So this is perfect down here. But also we have a laundry room down here. But we'll get into that in just a second. I mean, this is a pretty decent sized room. You're probably only going to be able to, let me see here. Where do we put the bed? Because I would not make this into an office. Because I believe we have a bathroom down here, guys. Yeah, see, look. So this would have to be for the guest. So typically, let's just say here, you're gonna have to put maybe your TV or dresser here. Then we have a bed here facing this way. So this part right here is a little bit narrow. I'm gonna be very transparent with you. They do have the transfer grill, which is a plus. 3/4 bath, fiberglass. You can see that the light flickering. I don't know if you guys caught that. It means somewhere in the house is pulling a lot of amps. That means you have to change out the breaker. It's drawing a lot of amps, so something kicked on. It could have been the AC unit. Then we got the 2-car garage. That's another thing. You guys really got to look out for that, because some of these homes, they're not giving you enough on the amperage at the breaker box with that AC unit kicking on. So that's very important to check that breaker box too as well. All right, let's go upstairs and see what we got. Oh, they definitely did the upgrade here on the flooring here. And then also the banister. Wow, pretty large loft. 2 lofts here. I mean, this is definitely overkill. 9-foot ceilings on the second floor, which is a plus. You've got 3 inches on the baseboards. Orange peel texture, straight edge cornering. I mean, this room's a pretty decent size here. So I guess that bedroom downstairs was the primary, guys. Look at the herringbone pattern here. I mean, grout lines definitely need to be a little cleaner. So we got 1, 2 bedrooms, 3, 4, 5 on this floor plan. So this one, it is its own suite. I do like the fiberglass tub side. So here, this is very important. You can tell on this one, on the herringbone, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it goes in here, comes back out. So this thing is not mudded. It is not flush. Now guys, I'm not trying to pick this builder apart, because that's not my intentions. These are just things that you have to take a look at on the build process here. And I feel like if you're doing this to the model, imagine what your home's gonna look like on that production build. But I mean, all these are easy fix, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be your responsibility to make sure you're happy with the build. And like I said, every builder, understand they're not building your home. They're hiring third-party companies to come out to lay down the concrete, to do the plumbing, to do the electrical, to do the framing, to do the AC. I mean, the price is not bad. I mean, this is such a large loft. I mean, I think I would add a 6-bedroom on here. Would make more sense, because you really have this loft right here. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to tell all your friends and family if they are looking to purchase a home out here in Las Vegas. You definitely want to start off by watching this channel. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed. Peace. Are you guys looking for the killer deal? Look, it's not about negotiating with the builder up front. Where you save the most amount of money is actually the standing inventory list directly from the builder. Now, not all agents can actually get access to the standing inventory list out here in Las Vegas. Here is literally the list of all the standing inventory from all your top builders out here in Las Vegas. So literally they sent me this information so that way I can market this to you guys. Now, if you guys want to save thousands and thousands of dollars, like I literally just did a deal with a client that saved them $80,000 and was able to get a 4.9% interest rate. And they literally moved into this home with an equity position. Now you're probably wondering, why would the builders cut pricing? Because of the standing inventory. They got to move products fast, and I'm talking about fast. So if you guys want the list of standing inventory, all you guys got to do is just enter your contact information. Let us know which builder you're looking for, square footage, bedrooms and bathrooms, and the price point you want to be at, and we'll be happy to filter this out and send it on over to you. So register now.